Good morning everybody and welcome to a brand new video. Join us over the next 2 days as we head up north. Next we're heading to Tinuy-an Falls. We're going to the Enchanted River. We're going to the Enchanted River Rock Resort. Don't think Holly's best pleased about the boat situation, but let's make our way over now. And then finally we're heading up to Surigao City, I think it is. But join us over the next 3 days now as we make our way north to explore a lot more of this specific island. So we've just stopped off for breakfast just outside of Tagum at a place called Axel Dave Babinka for some babinka cake, I think it's called. So these are like milk. Yeah, these are like condensed milk. They put it in the... It's basically rice cake. It actually tastes really nice.
We're gonna see now. So Erwin just brought us to one of his local cafes and introduced us to rice cakes. No. You don't eat that. And I wasn't sure what to expect, however, so good. I love when you find like proper home cooked native food like that because it was so nice.
Mugs there as well. So after about five and a half hours, one stop to get some lunch, we've made it here to Tui and Falls. Let's make our way up to the falls now. So that was Tinuy-an Falls. Next we're going to head over to Enchanted Rivers. Just want to say a big thank you to Uncle as well, who brought the drone along today and for our last video. But anyway, let's jump back in the car.
That's very deep. No one has ever got into the bottom there.
Welcome everyone to Enchanted River. Madayang na pagkanis sa Enchanted River. The baby fish feeding is shown to the public as a cultural segment.
Welcome to the Enchanted River, and how blue and clear is the water. As you can see from some of these clips now, you can clearly see the fish swimming around, but you can't see the bottom though. Erwin was saying that the bottom is so deep that he doesn't think anyone's ever actually been to the bottom, and actually the water also goes beneath ground into a cave.
by keeping those there, by they can use that to like it's taking my name, let's give it rain. Alam ko. Plate number ganyan, Col?
I can't believe it, as we were driving down, it just suddenly started to rain. But we've got here now, Erwin's just checked in, so we're heading over to the boat. The boat guy said it's going to take about 3 minutes to get there, so we've packed lightly just for tonight, so let's get on the boat and make our way over to the resort.
Bakit mo sir, no, na to 2,000. Tanan-tanan ko to whole day ngayon natin oh. Enchanted mo ano kapag nakikita dito map.
Don't think Holly's best pleased about the boat situation, but let's make our way over now. So that was such a fun and eventful boat ride over. I don't think Holly was too keen on it though. But most of all, welcome to Rock Island Resort. Let's get checked in now, see our rooms, and then we've been also told that we need to order before 8 PM because that's what time the kitchen closes. So go to the room, we'll order our food, and then we'll have a quick exploration of Rock Island Resort. So welcome to the room. Looks like we've got I'm gonna go with a simple double bed. You've got AC up at the top. So then as we move through, we got the shower room and toilet, sink, shower. And I have to try and figure out how that works. And then just down the bottom you've got your toilet. So yeah, that was a real quick room tour. So we've all checked in now. Holly's not too best pleased with the room, especially as we found a cockroach on the floor that I flicked out. But yeah, as you can see from the room, there's not really much going on. Internet wise, we had to put a few coins in the machine and that activated the internet. I think it was 50 pesos for 24 hours access. But now where we're staying is just behind me on this rock, but we're walking down now to go and get dinner because there's a restaurant at the bottom of this pier. But as you can see, we are literally off the coast in the middle of nowhere, and here is happy looking Holly.
Having Jollibees for the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, pull it away. Just a quick update on the room. The bed isn't actually too bad. No. Bed's actually quite comfy. There isn't really a quilt, it's more of a
Sheet.
sheet.
A sheet that would go on a duvet.
sheet that goes on a duvet. The aircon was actually working really well. We've turned it down a little bit now, but it's really loud. You can probably hear it buzzing in the background. But yeah, that's it for today. Tomorrow, Holly's got to go back on her favourite boat, back over to the mainland. We're also supposed to be catching that boat again to do a little tour around a couple of the islands here, and then we move all the way to the top of this specific island, as we head over to, what's it called?
Surigao City.
Anyway, I'll see you all in the morning. Welcome back. Today we've kind of all woken up with a little bit of a cold. I think it was probably the boat trip that we did the other day. Again, if you haven't seen that video, go back and check it out. For now though, we're going to go and get a bit of breakfast, and then we're going to decide what we are going to do. If we are going to catch a boat trip to go around to view some of the islands, or we're going to head straight north to Surigao City. Anyway, let's go and get breakfast now, and you'll find out if we do go on any boat trips or we just head straight up north. Okay, so we've decided to come to Lasera. Erwin's saying this is quite a special place to come. So the locals call this Suiza Lagoons, as you can see just behind me. It's a rock formation that's just off the coast here that's created a lagoon, and then as the waves come crashing in, it comes over the rock formation and splashes everybody in the lagoons. You can hear them all cheering in the background now. Hello. Hey guys, so we've made it to Surigao City. The hotel is about maybe 10 minutes up the road. It's closed for dinner. It closes for dinner at 9 o'clock, and we got here about 8:30, 8:45. So we've just come down to Mika's barbecue where we're going to eat dinner tonight. Erwin says this is true, authentic Filipino food. So let's tuck in dinner tonight, and we'll see you all in the morning.
Will we see lots of Joes when we go over there then?
Yeah.
Welcome to Surigao. And that was some drive yesterday from Lasera as we came over the mountain range to come down here. One of the real gutted parts of it is what it was so dark we couldn't really see what was out there and what was going on, but from what we could see, the mountain ranges were beautiful. It was a real nice drive, but it was quite a drive to get here. Got here last night quite late, checked into the hotel, and we'll have a look at and explore the hotel a little bit more later on. But this morning we did ask one of the servers what is there to do here in Surigao, and there isn't really much to do. So we've come down to the local boulevard here, which you can see just behind me now, to have a look around and explore. I also took Erwin for a run first thing this morning, and just as we started finishing the run, the heavens opened and it really started to rain. It's also forecasted to rain for the rest of the day. But anyway, let's explore the boulevard and see what Surigao has to offer before we head off tomorrow to go to Siargao. Hey, so it's our final meal here on this tour. We say goodbye to Erwin today, so we've come to Cafe Virginia for some dinner. Today's been a bit of a shame. It's rained quite a lot today. There also wasn't really that much to do in Surigao City, although we did go down to Pebble Beach to have a look around. Later on, we'll have a quick look around the hotel and we'll say goodbye to Erwin as we move over to Surigao. What? Siargao. As we move over to Siargao. Welcome to the Almont Beach Resort Hotel. Our room is set at the back, so our room doesn't overlook the sea, so we don't have a balcony. But the room itself, as you can see, has 2 double beds. It's got a nice large bathroom, shower, everything that you could need from a hotel room, and it's really good for the price as well. As you then come outside, you've got your restaurant, which then leads onto a balcony area where you have the sea view, so you can see everything that's going on in Surigao City and all the islands in the distance. And they also printed out the tickets for our boat trip over to Siargao. Anyway, let's go and enjoy breakfast now, make our way down to the ferry port, say goodbye to Erwin, and we'll close this video off there.
As a whole road crossing because it is distance from us.
Thank you.